video is going to show you how to set up the hot buttons. So if you add a new window, look for hot buttons right here, and that will open up our hot buttons. Hit the settings, and all the options that we have for hotkeys, we have those same options for hot buttons. I can choose which ones I want. I can have tier size orders, closeout orders. Let's say that I want to have a full closeout on an LSPT buy closeout. I could just hit add and it will add it here. Miscellaneous sizes. I like to do a closeout all, maybe a closeout half, so then I can just get out or just close out some of it. How about a closeout 25? So I can choose how much I want to close out of my position. Custom commands here. These are the ones that we've created. So the 1, 2, 3, 4 is on here. If I add that, I can put it onto our hot buttons. Cancel orders. I always like to have a cancel all so that I can just cancel all the orders that I have that are existing. And then I can change the colors of these. So for this out half, I can change this to a pink color. Close out half. You can change it whatever fits your style. Oh, once you've chosen all the hot buttons you want, you can choose whether you want order pop-ups, which are the same order pop-ups that come up when you hit a hotkey. I'm going to say no so that it just immediately sends the order, and then it will bring up my other confirmation pop-up. Hit OK, and now we have our hot buttons, and you can resize this to be whatever you want. You can add as many as you want, and as soon as you click on one, it will do that action. So that's how you set up your hot buttons. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.